My country people, I greet you now. Oyinbo go talk say cleanliness is next to godliness. It means say for we environment and for we life make tanda gidigba well. We need to know how to dey waka with Baba God. Now he make us tanda gidigba put for our program today. The person will be the Commissioner for Environment and Sustainability for we state. Dana Omwa Alonge Oni Okwaku. Now she sit down gidigba for the ministry. I greet you, ma.
Thank you very well.
And as we talk on top of this program, I know say no be only me na in they do this Obunge program alone. I did gidigba with my Obunge colleague for the studio.
My people, I greet you now. My name is Mary Edeleyo. Now welcome.
And my name never changed. My name is Nimat Shagumo. I greet you, ma. On top of the program today, as the before we state, we go like me give us better information on top within the shell for your ministry.
Una know say my ministry no pass make we do everything we concern the environment. We divide that into different side. Forest matter day, cleanliness matter day, waste management matter day, general hygiene day. How we want to take also do new within Oyibo they call innovation. All this waste to wealth. How we feel they move forward. Say waiting we go use our dirty do. You know, we go still benefit us as other countries don't they do. We they try to format and for here to may we try see how we fit do and may those states see they grow, go up. And now all those things we just they manage do. And you know say once rain come like this, that's why on never see me where when a road we they walk. So no time there to come sit down for studio say we want the narrate matter. As we they walk, they go. Make people they see say the work they happen. Make our people no sick. Make we feel see the ones where erosion problem they will we feel quick. See waiting we go do. You know, make the erosion not too much for the area. As all of us know now say Oyibo get waiting that they call climate change. Now everywhere around the world the rain they fall past as they fall before. Sun they shine past as they shine before. So the work where government get now to see how as these changes they happen, we be saying that God now create them. We too will go they work to see how we'll feed them, where all our people go they jollificate as they talk, make a problem no day our state.
Okay, ma, on top of say make Edo people jollificate well for the way Edo State government done the waka on top of all the projects where they go on sense. How una don waka reach for Benin Waterstone projects? The one way from Ego waka enter already local government area. What be the plans on don put for ground to take complete that project? As it be say rainy season don already follow us stand as it be so.
Okay, the thing about stormwater project, if good as una ask me because it be like say plenty people no understand. Stormwater project no be 1 year work. No be 2 year work, no be 5 year work, no be within another maybe 2 to 3 years stormwater project go finish. Make I tell you now, waiting be storm. Okay. And we go come make the project come they possible. Say they think of that kind of project to do. When they start this project during the last administration, all of us know say climate change never happen. Reach as it happened so. If una look that time, even the sun where they shine 2 years ago, no reach the sun where they shine now. Now so the rain where they fall. So as things they change, the project itself they can't open, join them. So gradually the project they move. Now if we look the map on the whole project, as it don't be from when they start to where they day, so we don't day around 70% to complete. Now this 70%, as we they go along, more challenges they come. So we they add work, join their work. If we now look the thing where we go do for Welu the other day, when we they look that canal as they don't build them. Now part of the stormwater project be that. When we see una read there, una see waiting the Welu paper people don't do. All the dirty and all the things they don't pack and put for them, they don't still block them. That one go still give the people more work. We still tell them, say now they need to clear that place where the contractors go still clear them. They may they still open that canal, join them, because the rain where they fall now, not be the rain where they fall when they first start the project, so that the place go open, join them. So now so we they do them, they go. But it good make our people know. Stormwater project no be waiting be scam abi as they write as they do am no.
Still on top of all those projects wey they do on top environment matter. More we enter the operation clean up Edo. Now this project now the people wey dey on top am, wey be say that them be the agent we suppose they work. Between the hour of 5:30 to 6:30, they know they come out, especially for New Benin Market. And of which na that time, now all this katakata on top, how the road they dirty, how they congested, now they happen. Why be say these people know they come at that time? Now after this market people don't yama the road, they'll come begin work.
By 10th of June, we get judgment. We stop us as a state, say make we no work again. That judgment come from the High Court, and now the Chief Judge now make that pronouncement. Say make we leave am for local government. As we leave am for local government, we dey teach them, we dey monitor them. But you know, say pikin wey start school today, you know, just tell am make e go write JAMB. May you expect say make e pass. So as they do and they go, they learn the things small, no be waiting that they do before. Working with the local government together as we don't start with them to see how we fit join hand together to do the work, make it good. When you talk clean up Edo na committee. The people wey dey clean road na in we dey call waste managers. Those people na waiting government they call PSP. PSP means say na way to make work for our people. People they shout say Obaseki government work. We say okay, make government no do this work again. Make we give am to people. As we dey talk, so we get almost over 100 waste managers wey be our own people wey they do the work. So now way government they use also to empower in citizens so that they go fit do the work well. Now when this judgment happened that time, our own people wey dey house, they hear say judgment day. The people be still they work with local government to they carry their dirty. They say judgment day, they say make they no pay or make they no pay again. No. Meanwhile, the people where they work no be government. If they no pay them, how they want to pay their worker salary, how they want to carry the dirty, now that one be the problem we will come the face. So government can't get way government constantly they spend extra money. Say as people no pay, we no feel live everywhere, make it dirty. How many people know say court case day? How many people know waiting with the fight? So government go see put money down, pay them money, say all these places more na quick clean, oh, make my people no sick, oh, make our people no suffer too much. But for as we don't talk and so may we still beg our people. If anybody dey our office open and they get petitions and we address them. Nobody go dey perfect. Some the day where they do the work well. So at least 80% they do work well. We know they get complaint. The 20% where we they get complaint, make them right. If they say we they pay, we know they say people to carry a dirty. Right, come. We go change the person, give the work to another person. It no mean say make you no pay at all. You say you no pay, nobody they can't carry your dirty. If you pay, you bring receipt, come give us for ministry, and we see say you don't pay, and the first people no can carry your dirty. The waiting you they call owners. The owners they on us, the work they on us to make sure say that your dirty they carry. Still
on top this operation clean up Edo, we thank una for the GIDIGBA work una they do. Where we say for Ring Road, New Benin, Santana Market to Selu, we don't see how una don't clean up that place. But now these 2K drivers, we say they don't carry common for there. Waiting with the plans we una don't put for ground, we say they will continue they move their passengers.
Waiting we do before we go do any kind of enforcement. Say make person move come on for here, go another place. Don't be say we no see them since. It don't tell where we don't see them for there. Where we go carry them go now with the plan. And we they make sure say we know they talk where we they carry them go before we commode them for where they dey. Why? Because before we, as we talk, before we go move them another transport service, you just see there. They'll say welfare something of soldier. They'll just go there. They'll go they stay there. So they cause us problems. That's why we no announce where we they carry them go. The people where we come up for Santana Market, front of Santana Market, the ones who will come up for front of GIDIGBA. Now GIDIGBA we fair do. We come up them for the land down the road. We come up for where they go cause waiting that they call nuisance.
Okay. Still on top of say make Edo State be fine place. Media crew come recently notice say banner or poster, they not come there all these kind of major areas for Benin City again because of say your ministry don't work with other people to take the remote all these one based on say they do what everybody call defacing of Edo State. So what be the compliance of Edo people on top say as they remove banner maybe in a church or no anything? Why these Edo people don't follow your ministry? Comply reach.
We be the talk before we start this whole matter, my sister. We talk. We write letter. We write to the church. We write to the people. As we see, say get as our people they do, they no understand. Television go call us, they go say the whole Edo dirty, everywhere just scatter. People go they complain. Another people now go see they put on for them. We can't look and we say okay. If we say maybe we they bill them, then they pay, they will still they deface the state. Now we can't look at even as they do the thing, all of the things scatter anyhow. Church go just put banner around the whole of Mission Road. We can't they look. When we they grow, church know they advertise. Now as we talk, when we don't hear anything, we can't decide. Say okay, as our ministry day, signage and all those things now other us a day. The way we they do them before, no format day. Constitution don't write how the format supposed be with the local government. Okay, we don't do it anyhow before. We can't they look other states where they do and way fine. If you go Abuja, you see as Abuja just they organize. We they look what thing that they do for Lagos. Even Ondo for here, they don't do all their thing again. We can't say the only way we make our work. Now to say make we come out within they existing now. It costs us a lot of money. So that when we clear and finish, we go come call the people. We go come sit down, do meeting. We go show them how we want them. Say now so, now we go do. Now so, now we want them. Any church we want advertise, street lamp, all this lamp there for post. You pay, you put on neatly. When you finish, you still go come out them.
All those things we want to put for ground, say una want they do and make all these people know for the face with state. Now anything they ground like law, where we say anybody we come deviate waiting government don't put for ground, he go face them. Because we know the way our people be.
Yes. We get the laws there. We don't they look as we don't do and so they don't see the seriousness of what we they do. So if you look at now, you see anybody go put anything for Ring Road, the law prescribes that when person cause nuisance, I be lawyer, when you cause public nuisance, all these things where they do so now, we categorize them under public nuisance. You get waiting, you carry them go magistrate court, you get waiting, the law prescribes say they go pay. But before we even go court, we don't talk them. All those small people we want advertise, they don't know. Anybody where we catch, we say, okay, this one no fee get money where they want go to pay fine for court. We don't put something where we they call community service.
Okay.
So if you know get money where you fee pay, any church where we see their banner, their address they there, their phone number they there, we go their church on the day where they get service. We will help them sit down. When they finish the service, all their members go follow us, go the place. We'll give them community service. If not cutlass, we give them broom, we give them, they go sweep.
Last, everybody go join and together.
Everybody go join and together, make sure say do clean. Now all of us dey inside. Now our state, we will do and make it good.
On top of Kawaii Park, we know say this one the government do so that everybody go figure one place to take the entire motor where then they go. And what we want to talk about Bakawai, we know say na Ministry of Infrastructure, now they work on top of, but we know say two of them ministry, they rub band together. Now rain don't waka come, poto go food there. Traffic congestion, the way you they talk and you go day. Waiting be the work we they do to make sure say they do the ground where they display. So we say go dey motorable. And people where they even use leg waka, it go easy for them to think to go there to go enter motor.
Okay, Obakavaye, like you talk, infrastructure. I know as a matter of say a person they involved, say I know, say they get palliative what they won't do as rainy season done they come on. I go soon see them start to do the work so that place go dey okay for people who want use leg waka and people who want go there go enter motor. So the work before the rain start where by the grace of God before the end of the month we'll now still see waiting they don't do for there. So, yes,
okay, man, still on top rainy season matter and say the rain that they waka they come, rain must fall, erosion will follow. What be the plans where your ministry don't put for ground to take control flood? I will not forget, say your ministry said they use modes till they do flood control, erosion control sometimes. So what be the plans where don't they ground to take control this erosion? May for not disturb Edo people.
My sister, if I no go lie to una, if they say erosion part of waiting that they call natural disaster. Okay? Nowhere for the world where erosion not there. Una dey reach for America where they'll say erosion just come, flood just come, it just carry a whole city, it just carry. We go talk say those ones don't know what they do. The same thing for London, we talk say they don't know what they do. If our people say erosion go finish, pata, it go hard to see erosion go finish. Then first of all, when we ask ourselves, wetin dey cause erosion? Our people, when we want buy land, we know they look where we dey go buy land. You just see mountain, you go buy land for valley. You say erosion no worry you. Erosion will worry you now.
But more will still cut you small for there before you begin to explain all this one they go. Now where they buy land, say maybe na valley or this one. This one still dey on top with government matter because Ministry of Physical Planning. Now those ones supposed to they talk say now this place they supposed to buy land.
My sister,
now yeah, they no supposed to buy land.
We all know who get the whole land where they do and who they in charge of the land where they do. Who they sell land. Enogis, community head, all of this. All lands are traditional and under a particular traditional head. You they see us, they try to stop people, say no throw dirty for moat or no throw dirty for this one. You they talk, say we they use moat. Our moat before, for the olden days, now the way our own olden days people take use, stop some erosion issues. Now if you reach moat, if you reach FAE for off Iyaro, na dirty food there. If you reach Iyaro, na dirty food there. If you reach some other moat, you go see different where our people they pack food there. Now we go they look, we they talk am, make they beg, make they put their dirty. If they pay, they go carry their dirty. If they pay, they no carry their dirty. We go come carry am. Me myself personally, I go come carry am. Because if we block all these places, it go hard. As we dey clean am, na they block am. As we dey clean am, na they block am. Now we don't do and reach reasonable place. Corn they come now. I beg, I use God beg our people. I need down. If to say table no dey, I feel need down. If they chop, they come. Make they no put am for inside hole. Make they no throw am for gutter. Make they no put am because those ones now another thing where they block. The last night where we deceit. If you see the corn where we come up for inside gutter, it pass the whole corn where they grow for the whole of Edo State. I don't know whether they bring corn come for another place, come chop for here. So may they beg. If as we they clean the gutter, this month now they go see us start to clean all the gutters, as they go. People wey no say that they where erosion dey. Make una turn to vigilante. Anybody who una say just hold paper bag, wey just hold something we want to wear, me una catch am. Because if the erosion come now, una wan suffer am. People wey get shop around una, me una start to hold them. They say no storm water, no storm water. Now this Benin we dey, nobody fit stay Owelu before. Now they fit sell for Owelu, they stay Owelu. Stormwater project don't help them for that one. Now, if they block that stormwater canal, rain they come again, they no go fit go there, they no go fit sell. Because to clean that canal, no be 1 day, no be 2 days, no be 1 week, no be 2 week work. So make they beg. Now the beg we will go beg our people. But we say anything where I want to do for erosion, we don't already do them, we don't they clean, and we go follow the desilting. All the gutters we go clean. Like we clean the gutters the last time, reach everywhere. Now we don't agree, say we go put sign for places where we get big covert where water dey. We go beg our people. Now it make government do street light. Anywhere where you see, nowhere where we get covert where we no get street light. Make una just waka small. Cross road for where una see road, no be where gutter dey. Because if we clean the gutter, the water go dey rush. The last time when we do the city finish, okoro people, everybody they praise us. The whole Benin they praise, water they flow, everywhere they flow. But as they flow they go. If we no block them, if we dey waka where we supposed to waka, water no go carry anybody.
You never to tell where we media crew where they follow Deputy Governor of the state, waka go remote areas and anegbete where they circle. On top of the IDP camps where they put for grant for the people where we say flood, they scatter their house and the property. And Deputy Governor be make one statement for their talk, say them go try add join IDP camps, may for fit carry these people. Sake of say the one where they ground, you know even reach to take carry all these people where they this area, we say flood they affect them where. How far the state government and Ministry of Environment don't work on top of this one?
Now IDP camp where they build 5 years ago or 10 years ago, we suppose house the few people, that time now only few people, now flood, they affect for those areas. Why would they build IDP camps? No country will mean well, no state will mean well for your own people. no go get those camps. Even for America, they get them. For Europe, they get them. Because a lot of places, they where they get earthquake problem on the scene. So, Deputy Governor, what he talk not true. As the IDP camp, we they see say, as climate change, they come join them, we need to increase them to accommodate more people. We too, we they read weather forecast, we they read climate, waiting they happen for climate. Now, federal government, they send them to us. They go show us say, the rain will go fall this year, it still go past the one way fall next year, last year. The one way go fall next year. Abroad too, if you see on CNN, the two they talk for their people, they do different sorts of things. So we they want prepare. We want do like Oyibo people now. Make we they prepare for ground for the time where this thing go. Was pass as it be. So the one way they ground now, the rain way fall last year now, and the one way don't start to fall this year. We see as rain quick start this year now. So it don't give us warning sign. Say the rain will go fall by the time rainy season one really enter where if it fall reach December. So we don't they prepare. Say the people will go affect. Go pass as it be they affect people before, because the more the rain the more houses and things will go affect. The more climate change they change, we need to continue to keep up with the times. Okay. So now, so we go to increase the IDP camps for different places. Not be only that place where we get IDP camp. Other areas, Central get, other areas of Edo North still get, where we they keep people when their houses they flooded like that. So after the flooding, and the government they feed them there. We will feed them. We'll make sure say that they okay. Then when the thing finish, we go. They will go back to their houses.
On top of this ones where they talk, we thank you, Gidigba, say you sit down with us. But before we allow you waka come out, we will talk about with forestry and deforestation for we state here. Now we know say Edo State now one of the states for we country where we say they blessed with land way big way and on top natural resources. Now on top the name we end on our ministry sustainability. How now don't take sustain with natural resources, and how this one don't take contributes join with states economic growth.
When it comes to that deforestation issue, now something where they very dear to my own mind, because when they send us go school, they get waiting that they call exposure, where we say your eye go open, you can't they see waiting they happen. Before I even consider for this ministry, the whole of Nigeria now get that problem. Now Meduguri I take go school. So for Meduguri, now don't go yaro tree, now the plant put for everywhere. The main problem where they get now erosion and they get desert land. And even the trees where they plant no reach. So we they suffer different kind of disease, different kind of things. That time we they use our own place. We will say, if they see for Bini, now so we get tree everywhere, this one, that one. I no know what thing happen. When we they grow, everybody get tree for their compound. Now nobody they get tree again. Make we enter forest. When we they talk say that they cut tree for forest, so government they shout to say all the tree for forest. So make I tell you now, as soon as they look, one at the travel they go, say we get bush, we no get bush. The only thing what you see now, waiting that they call show glass. You know, say when you go boutique, as they just arrange the cloth for show glass, now you just they see. If you enter the bush, man, all the wood where they side they don't cut. They don't like me. Every day now they report me where they talk different kinds. I don't tell them. All the people where I don't carry go cut, they know still come up for that. Nigeria, all of them they go. Anybody where they catch, any wood where you carry, where no get hammer number. If I mistakenly hold you, you are not going anywhere. You are not going scot-free. I don't want anybody to be calling me. No community head should call me, because I'm not after the wood. I'm after the livelihood of our people. Any wood we wanna see, any trailer we wanna see. If you feel park your motor for the front, make the trailer. Make I see whether it go jam your motor come out. We wanna define us. We wanna go come report to. Make we know how we want to arrest them. I have men everywhere. Any phone call I get, we arrest them at will. People there, we know say naturally, people go build house, people go do different kind of things, so they need wood. So we they make availability for that. But that wood must be what you call monitored in the way that it is taken, so that you are regenerating as you are taking. We have something called the compartment culture, where it be say everybody they come vie for compartment. You pay and you go pay regeneration. As they take tree from that compartment, we they replant.
Okay. To replace that one.
We they replace that one where they come out.
Okay.
An average tree will feel better, will go whole ground, will go cause us from erosion. It go take 10 years. It go take 5 years. Some they take 25 years to grow, reach that stage. So all those ones where person go just go cut, all those area boy where they cut, all those ones where they different location, especially my own place. On one where they cut anyhow. I don't want them, and I see they talk am for television. So make I ask una. They talk deforestation. When government they shout say deforestation. They come they talk now kidnapping. Where did they carry them go? If tree dey inside forest, they want sit down on top of the tree. No be inside the where they don't thief all the wood. Now they stay carry people enter now. So you know, one thing always causes another thing. Our people are not ready to follow. If you not follow rule A, rule B and C must catch up with you. The tree where we go start to plant today now, the years we go take grow different. I don't start another one where they do now. Say even the timber people, where we don't even pay compartment where they do regeneration. The timber association, I don't call them again. We don't draw new MOU. Say anybody again wey carry timber apart from regeneration wey im do, then go collect money for their hand again 1,000. The seed wey they buy is no expensive. The manure wey they go use no expensive. They, as those ones don't pay where we dey plant, they the timber association, except they no want me timber association they be again because me ready, because I was at a point where be say make we even shut down because the disaster wey they cause na problem. Now mainly those things, the removal of those woods from our forest and our reserved areas and the depleting of our forest, now they cause us godly erosion. If you cut tree for here today, where ground go open fit be like Aduwawa. So because the soil is all joined into one, the ground for here feel strong. Aduwawa own feel soft, but the ground for here now in the whole Aduwawa. Once you comot the tree for here, it go affect that one before you know that one don't open. So now where will they get major problems with that?
So it means say with natural resources conservation, now the hand of the people where they will state.
Yes, now the hand of the people where they state. I beg you see bush where get fence. So if our people themselves no, they watch the bush by themselves, how we want to police the bush?
Commissioner, thank you very much. On top of this ogbonge information where you don't give us, and I sure say with people where they out there here don't fool and they don't get better information on top how they will join hand with the state government and Ministry of Environment and Sustainability to make sure say we state if fine well. We dey see the way other countries be and the way other states be, and we want make those states too may they shine like that. We thank you, Honorable Commissioner. My country people now here we see and reach on top as they be for we state with government matter, and we deal with Commissioner for Environment and Sustainability Omwa Alonge Oni Opaku, and she don't tell us many information and now she need una to take join her to make sure say we state wakafa. My name never changed. My name na Nima Shagumo, and I know the waka come out on top this program alone. I the waka come out it.
My name na Mary Edeleye. Make we join hands together, keep Edo State clean, make it for a better state, and it go favor all of us. We go soon again. Bye bye.
Thank you.